Hey there, my name is Ethen Ostroff. I'm the founder of Attorney Assistant. I'm here today to talk about Intake 360, our exciting new reception, intake, and Google review retrieval product that we are releasing on April 1st, 2025. So the goal of Intake 360 and what we saw was a problem in the industry was that there wasn't a great fractional intake solution or reception solution at a reasonable price that you could trust and actually have transparent access to who did that call, the recording, the transcription, and do it in a credit-based system, not by the minute, which incentivizes the outcome, not the length of time on the phone. So that's why we came up with Intake 360. I run my own law firm, Ethen Ostroff Law. We have a really detailed and intense intake team that is really attentive to detail. And I wanted to find a way that I could take that team, the intellectual property of that team, and train and sell another intake product that you can have for your law firm. So Intake 360 is that. And the basics of it is that we're going to give you the opportunity to have a backup or primary receptionist, number one. So let's say that you have a receptionist right now and they're answering, let's say, 75% of incoming calls. This would cover that other 25%, so you never have a problem with leads or with incoming calls going to voicemail. This will give you sort of a backup solution, or if you don't have a receptionist yet, this could be your primary receptionist solution. Next, let's say that person who's calling your law firm is actually an intake call. In the same call, if it comes to us, we can take an inbound call and turn that into a conducted intake and an appointment set onto your intake team's calendar if that's what you would like. Or we can send you an email of the entire transcript and a time that they prefer to be called back. Another tool that doesn't really exist, I've seen a few out there, but this is an outbound solution. So we've got reception, which is inbound. We've got, let's say, an inbound call comes in and you have it's an intake. We'll conduct that intake. That's the inbound lane of the highway. What about you submitting a lead to us? Let's say someone comes to your website and fills out a form. You got to actually go and outbound call them. And what my law firm does so well is call, text, email, chasing over a period of multiple days. And I see so many law firms leave leads and cases out on the table because they don't call outbound enough. So what we are building is a 3-touch outbound follow-up intake system where if we get them on the phone and conduct that intake, we get we get more skin in the game. We get more credits if we succeed for you. If we do not, and it's a failed outbound, then it's less credits for you. So the basics are reception for inbound coverage, inbound intake coverage, and outbound 3 follow-up intake coverage as well, where leads get either submitted automatically through your forms or you can actually manually submit leads to us. That's sort of the intake side of this. Another thing that came up when we ran a focus group on this tool was just submitting former clients or a client list to us for us to call and try to get Google reviews for you. Go Google my law firm, Ethen Ostroff Law. You will see we have over 1,900 real verified Google reviews. I want to help you get more Google reviews. What I will tell you as a warning and a caveat and a disclaimer, you will always be better at getting Google reviews than I will be. But we will try and we will supplement your team and we will try to go get Google reviews on submitted leads that you would like. That's it. That's the basics of Intake 360. The goal is for us to solve your leads from going to voicemail, to be your backup or primary receptionist, to help you have a fully fledged 24/7 intake department, and to help you go chase down Google reviews. I know that you will get value out of this tool. I can't wait for you to hop on, and I will see you soon.